All right, good morning, everybody. Guess what I'm going to be doing? I'm going to put the car back together. I'm just tired of just letting the car sit here and not doing anything. Plus, it's on E85, so the fuel is probably just going to start to dry up again with the condensation and everything. So I'm going to clean up cylinder 3 and cylinder 1 as much as I can, and then go and clean cylinder 2 and 4. Just a spark plug wells. Clean all the excess vapor, moisture, dampness, oil from cylinder 3 as well. And then put new spark plugs in, and then crank it up, and then let it run for like 5-10 minutes, and then turn it off, and then do it again tomorrow. So like I said, I don't want to leave the car sitting like the way it is, because I have a full tank of 85, and also even though I had put brand new oil and coolant in, if I do plan on switching out the motor, it won't be anytime soon, so I might as well just let it run to at least keep the car running warm and at operating temperature. So that's it for my video for you guys. Got everything hooked up back together. Just gotta bleed the coolant. So go ahead, prime this thing up and start it. It's been almost a week. Almost a week. So I want the COB access port to actually start reading where we're at. Okay. I want to prime it first. All right, and we're going to start it. Everything looks good. See this? Holy crap! What is going on here? So I had to retighten this bolt here. For some reason, this thing came loose. So, hopefully everything is good. Gotta put the oil filter back on. Had to clean up all this oil mess. Gonna let it sit for like 5-10 minutes, and then I'll start this car back up. All right. Let's go ahead and do this again. Alright guys, should be close to, alright, 172. I think I fixed the issue, guys. What do you guys think? I'm just kidding. I know I didn't fix the issue. Alright guys, it's the next day. We're gonna go ahead and start this car. Oh, whoops. Let's open it first. Alright, let's see if this thing has a misfire. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna do like a prime first. So, clutch pedal and gas pedal. So you can see the accelerator. So you can see the accelerator going up to 100%. Okay, now let's see what's up. What? Oh, what? Low tire pressure sensor. Seriously? Oh, 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 I saw something, I saw something. I saw something. I saw something. Hold on, let me see. Low tire pressure sensor? You gotta be kidding me. How did I end up getting low tire pressure sensor? It's weird because I don't know. These tires are, I only put less than 1,000 miles on these things too. I see white smoke coming out of the exhaust. This is not that bad, I guess. Just checking to see misfire. So far nothing. It's kind of weird. I'm not seeing it. Let's go take a look at the engine bay. So, the car seems kind of okay. It's not the best for operating. At wide open throttle, it does stutter a little bit, especially at wide open throttle. Cylinder 1 and cylinder 3 roughness cylinders like to go up to like almost a 10 and drop back. So, I mean, obviously it still drives, but I do notice that I'm leaning more towards into a head gasket because the coolant temp keeps jumping up and down so much, and there's a lot of air bubbles coming from the coolant reservoir too. And I don't know, I tried bleeding the coolant again, and I lost a little bit more coolant. So I'm assuming that cylinder, the cylinder head for, let's see, the cylinder head for the passenger side is probably got a blown head gasket or some kind of torn head gasket. So I don't know. To me, I mean, I could still drive it. I still want to enjoy my car. So to be honest, I'm just gonna drive it till it dies, and then I'll put a new motor in next year. That would be the goal for next year, is just put a new motor in. If you guys are wondering about the retune process, I'm not doing it no more because I just want to enjoy the car. And yes, winter's coming, but I still want to enjoy the car. And yes, I know, yeah, I'm already gonna know what's gonna happen if it blows the head gasket, while driving. Well, I just been driving like a grandma. So on that's it, guys. That's my video. I don't plan on making any more Subaru videos until I plan on pulling the motor out. So that's it, guys. Peace.